Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the mysteries of product development and empower entrepreneurs to bring their ideas to life. In this video, we'll walk you through a comprehensive guide on how to develop your products or services from conceptualization to launch. How to develop your products or services. Developing products or services that resonate with your target market requires careful planning, creativity, and attention to detail. 1. Understand your target audience. The foundation of successful product development lies in understanding your target audience. What are their needs, pain points, and preferences? Conduct thorough market research to uncover insights that inform your product or service strategy and ensure alignment with customer expectations. 2. Identify unique value propositions. What sets your product or service apart from the competition? Identify unique value propositions that differentiate your offerings and resonate with your target audience. Whether it's innovation, convenience, or affordability, highlight what makes your product or service compelling to potential customers. 3. Conceptualize and prototype. Once you've defined your value propositions, it's time to bring your ideas to life through conceptualization and prototyping. Brainstorm creative concepts, sketch out designs, and create prototypes to visualize your product or service and gather feedback from stakeholders. 4. Iterate and refine. Product development is an iterative process that involves continuous refinement and improvement. Gather feedback from beta testers, conduct user testing sessions, and iterate on your prototypes based on insights and observations. 5. Design and engineering. The design and engineering phase is where your product or service takes shape. Collaborate with designers, engineers, and developers to translate your concepts into tangible assets. Pay attention to user experience, functionality, and aesthetics to create a seamless and engaging customer experience. 6. Testing and quality assurance. Prior to launch, conduct rigorous testing and quality assurance to ensure that your product or service meets the highest standards of performance and reliability. Test for functionality, usability, compatibility, and security to identify and address any issues before they reach your customers. 7. Launch and marketing. The moment of truth has arrived. It's time to launch your product or service into the market. Develop a comprehensive marketing strategy that leverages multiple channels to generate awareness, attract customers, and drive engagement. Final thoughts. Product development is a journey of creativity, collaboration, and perseverance. By understanding your audience, identifying unique value propositions, and embracing a systematic approach to development, you can create products or services that captivate your customers and drive business success. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.